In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and add a voiceover in InVideo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture your audio and place it straight into your project with confidence. First, open InVideo in your browser and log into your account. This ensures you can access your saved work and the editor. For the smoothest experience, use a reliable internet connection and a quiet space. If you have a microphone, plug it in now and consider wearing headphones to avoid any echo. Once you're in, select your project. Choose the video where you want to add narration. This takes you into the editor, where you'll see your timeline and the preview window. We'll be working right beneath that preview area. Look toward the bottom of the preview and click on VoiceOver. This is where all your voice options live. You'll typically see choices to upload, to auto-generate, or to record. Today, we're focusing on capturing your own voice directly in the editor. Click on Record VoiceOver. A small recording panel will open. If your browser asks for permission to use your microphone, confirm it so InVideo can hear you. Before you start, take a breath and think about what you want to say. Aim for a steady pace and leave a brief moment of silence at the beginning. This can make the audio sound cleaner. When you're ready, hit record to begin. Speak clearly and naturally, keeping an even distance from your microphone. If you're reading a script, glance ahead a few words so your delivery stays smooth. Try not to rush. A calm pace is easier to follow and will match visuals more neatly. If you need to pause for a second mid-sentence, that's fine. Brief pauses are easier to work with than rushed or mumbled lines. Once you've said everything you need, hit stop. Take a quick moment to make sure you're satisfied with what you recorded. If it sounds good, click Add to place the voiceover into your video. InVideo will drop the audio onto your timeline aligned with the playhead. From here, you can see exactly where it sits in relation to your clips, which makes it simple to match your words to the visuals. If you notice the start is a touch early or late, you can nudge the audio clip along the timeline for a tighter fit and adjust the volume to balance it against background music. That's all there is to it. You've logged in, selected your project, opened the voiceover tools, recorded your narration, and added it straight into the video. Now you're ready to bring your story to life with your own voice.